Hi, my name is Arturo. I really want to meet Mr. Beast, and what I want to say to him that I wish I could be a video. I can do a video with you, and with Rubik's Cubes, and I want to show you how to make some cool patterns. I don't really know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I just brought this one from like today, and then I want to show Mr. Beast the cool patterns that I did. And I really want to help people like you. This is my sister Sophia. And I will show you how to solve the 2x2 and the 3x3, the other 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5. So now, we want to solve, like what side do we solve first? What Rubik's Cube?
Yeah, this one.
This one, okay. Let me set it up for you. Alright, which one do you want to solve?
The yellow.
Okay, let's see if you can do it. And then I'll do the 4x4 that doesn't work that well. Let me mix it up. Like this, like that. There we go. And then like, add all of these that I added.
Tiny, this is more. Like this is by an inch more.
There you go.
This is the black stuff.
And then a 5x5. It'll take a while. It took me like a minute. And let's see if I can solve it. There's one go. It is taking a while. It's hard. You have to be very concentrating. I will show you the fastest way to show you to make the yellow side one is like this. So I have to turn this up. This one will be here, and this one will be here. There's gonna be two here. There you go. And then I now can't put these two here at the same time. But I know a strategy. If I turn these three here, these two will be like this. And I can just turn them down and then put the three back.
Okay.
I'll show you how to make the Japan flag. To make the Japan flag, you have to solve the white side. I'm doing it very fast for you, so I don't want this video to take a long time. And one more, that's stuck in there. There we go. And then sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. So I have to do this up and then like this. You have to repeat that process. There you go. Japan. I broke my record of 4.3 seconds. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! What do you think, Chloe? Did I beat my record? No.